Are you or your team feeling overwhelmed by all the tasks and activities? Are you feeling confused and don't know how to get started? So don't worry, because in this video I will teach you an effective time management tool that will help you to overcome overwhelming and decide which tasks and activities to do first, which ones to do last, which ones to delegate to your team, and which ones to eliminate from your to-do list. Welcome to Success Boost Academy. I'm Sam Fortes Oliveira. If you're new here, click the video above to learn more about Success Boost Academy and also learn how to make more money and achieve more joy and fulfillment in your career. If you are experiencing lack of productivity, or if you're feeling that you are working on the wrong tasks and don't know how to organize or how to prioritize your tasks, then make sure you watch this video until the end, as I will give you a link for a template where you can learn how to structure your day and how to prioritize the things that really matter. So without further ado, let's dive right now into the video. To overcome the issue of lack of prioritization or not knowing what to do or feeling overwhelmed or confused on which tasks to get started or which ones to delegate to your team, I would recommend you to implement a time management tool called the Eisenhower Time Management Matrix. Now, what is this matrix about? As you can see, this matrix is divided in 4 quadrants, or if you like, 4 blocks. In the first block or category, you're going to include only the tasks you need to do first. These are tasks that are important and urgent. So here you're going to include tasks that have a strict deadline, and also these are tasks that if not done, you are going to have significant consequences of not doing them. For example, you might lose a contract if you don't follow up or you don't do these tasks. In the second category or block, you're going to decide which tasks and goals you need to do last. In this category, you can include any task or goal that is important but not urgent. As the task is important but not urgent, you're going to schedule the task for later. You're going to plan to get it done later. So maybe you can include your team to do the planning, because when you plan together, it's better than we plan alone. Here includes tasks without a set deadline, but these tasks are crucial for your long-term success. Okay. The third category or blocks is called delegate. So in this block or category, you are going to include, in this category includes any task or goal that is not important but it is urgent. So not important but urgent tasks. So if the task is not important but it is urgent, you need to think about who can I delegate it to? Who can get this task done on my behalf as soon as possible? However, don't just delegate the task to anybody. Think about someone who is skillful at doing this sort of task, or someone who has the time, or someone who has a passion to get it done as soon as possible. However, make sure that you support these people accordingly. There is no point in delegating a task to someone and then don't supporting them and then asking them to do the best job they can do. Some people are not sure on what needs to get done, so they need support so they can do the task properly. So make sure you do that. Don't just give someone a task and allow them to do it without supervision or support. Are you enjoying this video so far? If so, make sure you subscribe to Success Booster Academy if you haven't done so. And then share this video with people who needs to improve their focus, need to understand how to prioritize their time, how to manage their time, and also how to get more things done in less time. Before we move to the fourth and last quadrant, let's do a quick recap, shall we? In the first quadrant, we learned that we need to do the tasks first. These include all the tasks that are important and also urgent, including tasks with a strict deadline and serious consequences if they are not done on time. The second quadrant is called Decide. Here, you and your team are going to plan the tasks that need to be done later. This includes tasks without a set deadline, but they are crucial for your long-term success and development. This includes any task that is important but not urgent. So anything that is important but not urgent right now can be included in this category. Third quadrant is called Delegate. Here you are going to think about who can you delegate the task to. So this includes tasks that are not important but urgent. Again, think about the people who have the skills, the time, the passions to get this job done right now. Make sure you support them. Don't just give them the job and run away. Support them accordingly so they can get the job done properly. The fourth quadrant is called Delete. Here you are going to eliminate any task or activity that is not important or urgent. All the tasks that are time waster, you need to get them out of your to-do list. This includes tasks that distract you from doing the things that really matter to you and your organization, including tasks that have little return on your time. So be mindful about these tasks. Maybe this includes going on social media, spending time doing things that don't really matter at the moment. So think about which tasks or activities you eliminate right now from your to-do list. Which tasks are kind of distracting you from your goal. Make sure you put them in the right quadrants. As promised, I will give you my time management templates. So make sure you go below this video in the description below and download it right now. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe to Success Booster Academy if you haven't done so. Then share this video with only 3 people. People you know need to know which activities or tasks needs to get done first, and also which ones needs to get done last, or yet which ones needs to be delegated by other people.